Shandong Fujizy Escalators boast excellent product quality because the company is capable and vigorous. The trusses are made out of top-notch materials. The surface goes through electrophoresis treatment. It can stand 1,000 hours of salt spray test. The top and bottom parts are welded by imported OTC robot. All welded seams pass non-destructive testing. The elevators are driven by helical gear tractor, so they feature high-efficient transmission and low noise and are comfortable and stable. All drive units work in coordination, realize force dispersion evenly, and greatly increase the loading weight. As for the integrated high-performance escalator control system, there are protection units all over the elevator, and the fault display is arranged on the surface of the cabinet to show fault codes visually so that elevators can be debugged in a timely and effective way. It prevents the occurrence of faults to protect passengers. It combines with IoT communication system to comprehensively control safety switches of all key parts of the escalator so that one can direct a look at fault codes without opening the front step tread observation control cabinet and debug the elevator more quickly and effectively. It realizes the unceasing monitoring and safety protection of the complete machine. The complete machine adopts the smart frequency conversion technique, so it is stable in speed adjustment and comfortable for passengers. The comprehensive application of the Eco energy saving system and the automatic interval operation mode greatly reduces energy consumption in operation. The entrance and exit of the handrail are beautiful and in good taste and equipped with rubber rings to prevent falling matters. When falling matters enter, the elevator stops immediately to guarantee safety. The front step treat adopts high strength and anti-sliding pattern design and can bear 500 kilograms, meet safety requirements of large passenger flow,